Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you my 2021 journal lineup and how I'll be using everything from paper planners to digital planners. So with that said, let's first start with my first and only paper journal, which is my TN. I got this last year. As you guys can see, it's all worn out now, which I still love. I love the texture that it has right now. So yeah, everything is all set up now for my traveler's notebook. So unlike last year, I won't be using it as my on-the-go planner. Instead, I'll be using it as my dailies. I will be making journal spreads for each memorable day of each month, and I'll be adding photos and maybe in the future filming a journal with me, but that's not sure quite yet because what I'm planning to write in here are very personal stuff. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see in the future if I'll be doing a journal with me using my traveler's notebook. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my paper journals. So let's move on to my digital journals and planners. So first on my list on my digital planners and journals is my main bullet journal, which is what I've shown you already. I actually did a setup for my 2021 bullet journal setup for 2021, and I'll link it in the upper right corner in the cards at the upper right if you haven't seen that. But yeah, that will be the first thing that I'll be showing you guys for my digital planners and journals. Anyways, for this bullet journal, all I have here are pretty much everything. I have here is my future log, my goals pages, my monthly setups, my content list, and so on and so. Pretty much everything. This is my everyday planner. This will stand as my dailies journal. I will write here every night, every end of the day, about what has happened or what I was feeling that day, and yeah, that's pretty much the whole thing that I do in this bullet journal. But I also have here our content and shop spreads at the shop tabs, at the upper right. So yeah, I'll be doing those in here as well. I also do monthly setups in here. This particular setup, I did film this. It will be linked in the cards at the upper right. So if you haven't seen that, check it out in the upper cards after the video. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this bullet journal. Now let's move on to my planners for 2021. This in particular, this is the 2021 digital planner from Digi Sparkles. This planner will stand as my creative planner. I'll be using it to organize my post dates for YouTube, Instagram, and for other creative projects that I have in mind. So with that said, let's quickly browse this whole planner. Opening it to the front page, you'll see two sets of tabs at each end of the planner. First, on the upper left, we have here is the future log, which she has set for 3 straight years. Just pretty much insane, but in a way, I think that's pretty practical at the same time. So yeah, this is her left side of the planner, and at the right side she has here are her monthly tabs. Let's first start off with the year in a glance page. In here I'll be dotting out again my events, deadlines, and so on that is relating to my creative projects. Here are the example of how I'll be using this particular spread, this year in a glance spread. I'll be highlighting each like the day that I'll be filming, the day that I'll be editing, just so that it would seem more organized. My life would seem more organized. But yeah, this is pretty much the whole gist of what I'll be doing for my year in a glance spread. moving along to the future log, here I'm planning to add my monthly goals, index of my daily, so that I can quickly recap where I wrote this particular title page, and at the very bottom I want to add a monthly review according to how much I posted or how much I enhanced my creative juices for that month. So yeah, this on the upper part I'll be adding my goals, like for example I want to gain this kind of subscribers for my channel for this month. So yeah, those are the kind of goals that I want to put in here, or I want to start a giveaway for this month. So this is another goal that I will be placing in this particular part of the future log. Beneath this, as I've mentioned, I'll be using this daily, monthly, days of the month as my index for my daily, so I can quickly recap of what I wrote for that particular spread in that daily spread. So here is an example again of how I'll be filling this out throughout the year. And last, at the very bottom, I have here is my monthly reviews, my opinion on how the whole month went creative wise. So yeah, I'll be writing here if I was able to accomplish all the goals that I have set up for me, was I able to film all the videos, and so on and so on. But yeah, this is my future log for this particular creative planner. After that, she added here are additional tabs, lots of additional tabs, where I'll be jotting down notes of, again, all my creative platforms like Eunice Corner, Collogia Illustrations, or Daily Totga. If you're still not familiar with any of these links, of any of these platforms, I'll link it all in the description box down below, so you guys can check it out after this video. But yeah, again, this is just a note page for me for any ideas that I'll have for each particular creative project, creative platform, whatever you want to call it. And last, at the very bottom of the first set of tabs, she gifted us this gorgeous sticker set. I've been using this on my other planners, to be honest, but yeah, I really like how gorgeous everything is laid out, and this is the particular sticker sheet that I'm usually using. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole thing for the whole set of tabs that she has in the left side. Now let's move on to the monthly tabs. For my monthly spreads, you guys already saw how I set this up before using my Boss Planner. Now, I might not be using a Boss Planner for this year, but the discount code for Boss Planner is still applicable, so make sure to check that out if you're still interested for that particular planner. But I am also giving away or giving you guys a discount code for this one. She has different more designs for in her shop, so yeah, stay tuned until the end, and I'll mention the discount code that you can put on your shopping cart or whatever. So yeah, back to the monthly spread. In here I'll be using it as I plan to log in my schedule of post, filming, and editing days, and yeah, exactly just like how I did last year. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys my setup at the end of every month, so do stay tuned for that. Now moving along to the next page, we have here is her weeklies, well, my weeklies, where I'll be adding my to-dos for every week just to keep me motivated each day. I'm planning to write here, as I noted right there, that I'll be writing here every Friday night. So yeah, so far I haven't done that yet, but I'm trying to push myself to be more productive. Let's motivate each other in the comments. Leave a motivational quote or something. So yeah, this is the weekly spread for this 2021 creative planner. And for the last spread, which is her dailies, in here I am planning to, well, pretty much make it as note taking of each day, of each video that I'll be posting for that week. So yeah, this is where I'll be jotting it all down. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole gist that I have for this 2021 minimalist planner. So yeah, again, I'll be adding the promo code or discount code if you want that particular planner or any planners that she has in her shop in the description box down below. Now moving along to my second digital planner again. Second digital planner from Pink Petiole. I don't know if that's how you say it, but sorry. Yeah, this is the 2021 digital planner, and this will act as my life planner for 2021. To set this apart from my creative planners, how I'll be using this, well, as the name goes, to plan out my life. In my year in a glance, I'll be dotting out my paydays, work meetings, deadlines, holidays, and birthdays. Beside it, again, are my monthly goals that are more so relating to my life, like jog every day or read a book each month, those kind of things. So yeah, again, this is my life planner, so what I'll be jotting down here are more so about my life. Now moving along to my monthly spread, I actually just posted on my Instagram account an example of the particular setup of how I did my January monthly spread. Basically, I'm planning to add here are my schedule for the month, like mga lakad with friends or family, birth dates that I need to take note of, all those gist. So yeah, you can check out my Instagram account to see the layout that I did for my January monthly spread. But I'm actually planning on filming a setup for each month as well. So do let me know if you're interested in seeing that here, or are you guys more interested in seeing that on my Instagram stories or IGTV instead. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Next we have here is the monthly budget spread, which again is very helpful for me since I am pushing myself to save money this year. So yeah, avoid lang sa mga sales sa Lazada or sa Shopee. So yeah, this is going to be very useful for me. I haven't fully studied this spread out just yet. I'm pretty sure that I'll be making use of it for each month. So yeah. Next is, and last, I guess, is my dailies with the weeklies at the side. As you can see, I don't write here as often because it's not likely for me to write during the day. So yeah, but I'm still hopeful that as the month goes, I'll be writing in here more often. This is pretty much, I guess, my scratch or how the day will go, and I will be transferring everything to my bullet journal, something like that. But yeah, this is pretty much the idea in here, is to time log everything. But I don't know, I'm still trying to work myself to be more productive this year. So hopefully in this next month, which is February, as you guys will be seeing this, because I know I've already slacked off the whole January posting. So yeah, hopefully by February, I'll be writing in here more often. But yeah, that's actually it. She has additional tabs at the bottom part, but I will not make I won't be showing much of it, because in here I'll just be using it to take down notes on my studies or meetings or anything work related. So yeah, those are just things that you won't be interested in seeing anymore. So yeah, again, this will have a discount code. Pink Petiole gave us a discount code for her planners. And yeah, just check out her shop. I will be linking everything in the description box down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my whole 2021 planners, digital planners, and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and got something out of it. Again, just a quick recap. I will be having 4 planners for this year: my TN, my digital bullet journal, and 2 planners from DG Sparkles and Pink Petiola. Hope you can check out all those shops that I mentioned earlier. All shops will be linked in the description box below, and beside them there will be discount codes for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to tap on that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again next time. Virtual hugs and kisses. Bye guys.